Hello, this is Mid-Atlantic Weather. It'll be an update for July 1st, 2017. Quick look at the temperatures as of 7 a.m. this morning. We are seeing temperatures in the 70s already. I'm showing about 76, 77 here in Northern Virginia. Please note that today it will be warm and humid. As a matter of fact, humidity is so high this morning we're seeing a lot of low clouds, which is probably keeping the temperature down a little bit, but definitely humidity is making it feel warm. Speaking of that humidity, just looking at the dew point temperatures, they're very close to the actual temperature. You're seeing them in the 60s and 70s. It's going to make it very uncomfortable and sticky today. Here's a map set up for today. What you're seeing here is a front out to the west. It's going to be pushing towards the east. It will send out some disturbances out in front of it. That's what you're seeing, with this yellow area being a chance for severe weather. We are in a slight risk today. So we definitely need to be on the lookout for potential showers and thunderstorms. So the Severe Storms Prediction Center has put out a slight risk in Northern Virginia, up into Maryland, and up into Pennsylvania, and a marginal risk for most elsewhere, except for right along the coast, just a general risk for thunderstorms. So as noted today, this front is moving east, and it's going to go down into North Carolina. You do see it stall here. This does give us an opportunity possible to see more thunderstorms, especially in the southern and southeastern part of Virginia and down into North Carolina. On day 3, that front still remains in the area. You can see an area of low pressure forming along it. Again, giving some chances for rain showers along the front and around areas where the low actually stays. Please note this doesn't knock down temperatures. Temperatures will remain in the mid and upper 80s to low 90s, and it's just going to remain humid as well. So after a very toasty July 4th, we see this frontal boundary getting hung up here as a stationary front. Again, focusing mechanism for potential for but for thunderstorms in general. We see that on day 3 actually, and here's day 4. It's not moving much, so again, a chance for thunderstorms starting Tuesday, Wednesday is more likely, and into Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and then you're seeing it kind of wash out here. There's an area of low pressure, and then on day 7, the front is back here trying to come through. So basically on and off chances of showers and thunderstorms from about Wednesday on and next week into next Saturday. And needless to say, with that front getting hung up down in North Carolina for a few days, you're seeing a lot of moisture down there for 2 and 3 inches of rain possible. And then up into Virginia about 1 inch to maybe 2 inches over the next 7 days. So good chance of a lot of moisture, and that looks to continue even into the future. And as we look into the 6 to 10 day period, you're seeing just a continuation of a chance for above normal, actually pretty much nationwide, a chance of above normal temperatures, not a high above normal. So again, 80s, maybe low 90s, pretty typical this time of year. And above normal precipitation in the east. And as we look out to 8 to 14 days, continued risk for at least slightly above normal temperatures. And we're seeing precipitation still remaining at a chance for above normal. So pretty much what you see over the next several days, it seems to be the similar pattern for the next couple weeks. Fronts are getting kind of hung up in the region. We're getting a lot of afternoon and evening thunderstorms, typical summer weather, and a lot of heat and humidity. Probably not overly oppressively hot, but definitely hot enough to make it uncomfortable. So July 4th, just as an outlook, looks hot. Probably in the 90s east of the mountains, upper 80s kind of along the Piedmont and the mountains. Chance of afternoon and evening thunderstorms, but hot. Dress lightly and enjoy the weather. Hopefully we don't have too much to worry about rain-wise or temperature-wise. And that was my quick look at the weather for the next week. Thanks a lot.